Station, the PS station.
Oh God, madam.
Oh, mommy, that's when they are so. I carry a different baby. No program, come to one time. Yeah, that's why. They are my money, have a crowd. Why?
Gynel. Also, my money pressure. Every quality in the more better.
Sure. Okay, let me show. It's next. Okay, you bye. Oh, they're maxing.
Oh, boy, I program here for me.
Hey, oh, wow.
Come, boy. Yeah.
Madam Dora.
Where they from?
Okay.
Say, but they will go.
Yeah.
What is going on? About me, the one behavior, maybe how the beach also. Yeah, now, and that's all you be. But I think, say, my pain ultimate time, and nothing is actually
Well, for me, I'm okay. I'm okay for now. Nothing bothered me for now. But for your sisters, I think very soon they will be used to me. Yeah. But one thing is about the payments. You know, I needed some cash out to settle one or two things. Yeah, I think that's the problem for now.
And if I get any problem, we have to sit them. But then my getting a bit busy. Oh, see,
That is it.
and about my sister's medicine, sure. So they need to see me. It's a semi crown of opinion. It's not a crown of customer in my second. I said, no more occasion. I'm not so much almost a song of what? I'm crown of the shop.
Well, as I said, very soon.
So why you already started?
Yeah. You have my account already.
Yeah, I have.
As for your sisters, don't worry. Very soon they'll be used to me.
If I was a fire, my penny, I
also like you, Madam Dora.
My sister was so sad morning, call on the money.
I will.
What's in the mouth back? Because when you come one, I think so.
What? Come on! Thank you. I was not expecting this.
Oh, yes, she.
This is too much. Madam Dora.
Oh, it's okay.
In fact, see, I will protect you. In fact, come in with all your entire family. I will protect you. I swear. Do you have any other people that I can protect you? No. Do you have any other people? Just how many?
Just my sisters.
3 of them.
What's it? Enemy fee, I'm so being to remember and be deep on it. And don't call it
Everything is that. Everything is that.
Okay. And I do anything.
Come on! I will protect them.
Jabba. Why Jabba? Why the name? It means what? That's you. So what are you not called Kwame, whatever?
I'm Jabal. Okay. Or are you here to interview me?
Of course, you work for us, so I have the right to ask you any question I want. And you have to answer me. What do you mean?
I'm from Sandra. Are you okay now?
So you come off. I don't know how to radio station. I had a baby.
I love my job.
You love this job. I hear anymore. maybe I want to see Kuntai. This is it, huh?
What is the problem? What's wrong with that?
I do. What is it? You know. You also found who yes, you know. My cousin, yes, you know.
Are you angry?
Excuse me.
About what? Because I'm put on my clothes every time I'm cooking food, and that's what you're asking.
It irritates me every time. I say we shut the initiative.
Can we end this conversation?
Oh please. Are you coming to the
Who is that? Hey, who is that? And you are coming. Who are you? I said, who is that? Wait for me to come and open the door for you. And you are Can you go outside?
Ajaba, stop it.
Who are you? And I said, who are you?
He's my friend, please. Enough. What is that?
Allow me to do my job, please. Can you? Are you going to?
Just let me know.
Why look like a criminal to you?
Don't shut me up like that. Listen.
Sarah.
Yes.
Sarah, you are too beautiful.
Thank you.
Even your anger cannot take over.
Hey, enough of that words. It's okay.
I'm not flirting on you.
I know, but it's okay.
You are too beautiful.
Oh, thank you.
Anyway, I called you here because I want you to understand something.
What do you want me to understand? What is it?
The fact that you are falling for me, that doesn't mean I'll take you for granted.
What is it? Come on, tell me something. What is it? What do you want to tell me?
It's about your sisters.
My sisters?
Yes.
Like, what have they done? What's going on?
I want you to hide me from them.
Why?
Because I'm here for them.
Okay. You just want me to hide you from my sisters? And put them at
I don't care even when you get pregnant.
how?
And your mom asks you or any of the family asks you. I'm not afraid for you to mention my name.
I'm really scared. Miss Ro.
I'll get your back. Don't be scared.
Miss Ro, I'm a Miss Ro because though the location I'm a but it's Miss you, and I don't want to go through that. No, I don't want to.
Sarah!
I'm telling you the fact.
Are you afraid of me or what?
I'm not afraid of you, but
Are you hiding something from
I'm
me?
not hiding anything, but it's pain. So I'm just be the same.
I've given you my location and everything.
Location is just location, and I be a make you are no more there. So
Don't worry. I'm there for you 24 hours.
are you sure?
I'm there for you. Sarah, trust me. Come on. Okay? Even if you say you are pregnant today, I'm ready to accept you.
Are you sure?
Why not?
If that's what you want, I promise. I'm not going to tell anyone we are dating. Yes.
Who are you hiding?
I'll hit you the stone. I want no more.
Talk, I'm listening.
Asa, I better can treat what I told. Come do what I'm about to Beya transgression. The country.
Are you here to fight me?
More fights.
You can't stand.
For what?
Just say whatever you want and get out. Go to your post.
Hey, Jabba say or whatever. We can't say the job. If you have buy, say we go back to you. A ass tongue is coming before a ass blade. Any Tony ever 20 HB. Catch your plane, you prefer. Hannah buy, what behalf for guiding you? I'm half for touching. One half for sex. One half for love.
What are you talking about?
Your way and I become awesome.
Would you get out and go to your post?
As I would grab the Bible better from up boy, I said, will be. Because of what you want. But say, if you are not buying, over has over the garden, and that's all I say, over from.
Hey! Will you shut up and listen to me? Are you mad? No, hey, listen to me. This should be your first time talking to me like this. Do you get me? If you know where I'm coming from, you will not even think of getting close to me. Do you know me? Are you the one who employed me? Do you know the kind of work I'm doing here?
Do sir.
Don't be nonsense, okay? Comport yourself. I said comport yourself. Am I a classmate? Why am I even wasting my time talking to you? Is that a warning?
Yes! Me too want to go to you. And Kram was saying now, who was I? Who brought my room? Now me go pampers. Now me go school. Now me go far. Now me go sing her. Obi ya station to become.
Are you dating them?
No, but you want to force yourself to dating the guests.
So what's your problem now?
Yes, I feel okay as a sound.
Don't be careful the way you talk to me. Don't insult me. Don't. This is your first time. Don't insult me. Do you get me? I said get out and go to your post.
Oh,
now.
Okay.
I said get out.
Martin said why you want to say what do you want to better if you are boy? Hey, 20.
Don't touch me. I said get out.
Martin, any man so from let me who say who don't want can be and now what for be a Jabba was a whatever. To be beer say you chill.
I said get
out.
Go to your post. I said go to your post. Are you mad? I am talking to you. I said go to your post.
And find your team so for your fanboy.
I said
two number that was Yana. What you got on?
I said go to your post. That's your business. Go there. That is your business. Go and mind your business.
Now
I said go there and mind your business. Go. Gatesman, go.
Hey, now hi. Now Madam Crabbe Poe be a catch me. Cobragana or dancing or Adiadi or Pabby or comfort the few no for where which is a well useful. So I had the yo on San Calanco, Wahanco, Wenimuco, or Senco, passing for your corner.
Because I give you a chance to talk to me now, you expressing your feelings. I said get out, go. Get out. Get out. Get out.
Ah,
get out.
I said, welcome you.
Nonsense.
What do you ever hear?
You have the audacity to talk to me anyhow. Because I've been watching you in this house. If I'm dating them, if I'm doing whatever, is that concerning you?
Hey, Master, stop.
You are mad.
You too.
I said you are mad.
You too.
You are mad.
You too.
You are totally mad.
Hey, you too.
Mind your business.
Hey, you too.
Nonsense, you will remain there forever.
You too.